Today we are cleaning and greasing the dewalt, a drill of mine. First of all, you take out the screws. We detach the gearbox and the clutch from the motor which drives it. It's a DC motor which uses a battery. It is that. First of all, you start removing the cover, the gear cover, and now the gears. They use radio gear transmission system, as you can see. There is a lot of dirt which has accumulated due to the lubricant which was applied. This is the gear selector. Now you have emptied the gearbox. That's the last radio gear. We clean it by a foam cleaner, which removes the greasy dirt easily.
What will it take to solve the world's...
We start cleaning the gearbox housing. It's a plastic. We start cleaning now the gears. Cleaning work is done. Now we are back on assembling it and try see if it will work. We grease because of wear and tear. This will reduce the wear and tear of the friction inside the gearbox housing. I grease every time I insert a gear because they are in layers. As I've told you earlier, they are radio gears, which gives it a very strong torque. one by one to the last gear, and the gearbox is done. We start pulling in the cases. Now we coupling the gearbox and the motor, the prime driver. That's the reverse and forward lever. The other cover is now installed. You start now screwing to hold the drill intact. Like now it is working. It's great, it's now working, it's clean, no more noise. Hit that like button and follow and subscribe to get such videos. Thank you.